she started with one room lab, and now she had this huge facility for grains, for vitamins, for minerals, for you name it. In the past, people, exporting company used to think or to know that Egypt had no quality control facilities, and they used to export to us all the rubbish they have. But after she started in '82 with a small room, and she gets bigger, now the world is different from Egypt. She's a graduate of Denmark. She got her PhD from Denmark, and after she got her PhD from Denmark, the Danish people assisted her, Danida, to build or to establish the quality control system in Egypt. And it continued with them for until, for a certain period, and they signed an agreement that this should not follow the governmental rules. After that, after this agreement was terminated in the year 2004, the Grains Council signed another agreement with the lab in order to maintain the foreign part of the agreement so that the lab will continue having its integrity and its independence. And this is how the agreement with the council was very important to the lab. Dr. Akila had about 70 PhD staff. All of them are her students and her followers. And one of them is my colleague, Dr. Muhammad Omara, who is her successor. After she retired, she handed over the flag to Dr. Amara honorably, and Dr. Amara followed her steps. He's an honest man, sincere man, and he likes his professor, and his professor likes him. So this is both our people here. And my colleague Shannon from the U.S. Grains Council headquarters in Washington, and the rest of the team, they will introduce themselves by name. And they are corn growers, so when you hear the word, when we hear the word corn grower, we should know that those are the richest people in this thing. So welcome to Egypt. All right. Would you like everybody to introduce themselves? Yes, please.
My name is Shannon Schaefer, and I work in the Grains Council office in Washington, and I handle the membership issues. So it's my job to bring all of the farmers you see here are the folks that support us, so we're able to do the projects and fund Dr. Solomon so he can do the great work he does. So these are the people that really bankroll all of the projects, that give the money and investment for all of the projects that we do here.
And I'm Sparky Crossman. I'm here from Virginia. I grow corn, wheat, and soybeans, and I serve on the Virginia Corn Checkoff Board.
I'm Jerry Griffith from Kentucky. I grow corn, wheat, and soybeans. We're actually on a family farm.
Yes.
I'm Bob Timmons. I'm from the state of Kansas, and I grow corn, wheat, and soybeans, and I'm on the Kansas Corn Commission.
My name's Darren Armstrong. I'm from North Carolina. I farm with my family in eastern North Carolina. We grow corn, soybeans, and wheat, and I'm from North Carolina Corn Growers Association.
I'm Joe Zenz. I'm here representing the Wisconsin Corn Promotion Board, and I grow corn and soybeans in Wisconsin.
And I'm Jim Stever. I'm from southeast Missouri. I grow corn, cotton, soybeans, and sometimes wheat and rice. And I'm happy to be here and a pleasure to learn.
For manufactured feed and imported feed ingredients. We have above the capacity building, we have here 474 persons. We have 57 person PhDs and 27 MSc, also 208 BSc beside our technician and workers. Our structure, we have a high committee. This committee consists of experts in the field of human and animal nutrition. My professor, Dr. Soliman, is a member in our high committee. Also, my professor, Dr. Akila, She's my professor here in this center. And according to the specification of ISO 17025, we have a quality manager. He is responsible for quality assurance manager and document center controller. Also, we have technical manager. He is responsible for all the seniors of our specific laboratory. Also, we have training manager and financial and administration director. We obtained our international accreditation from the American Association for Laboratory Accreditation. We take a representative sample from any shipment when arrive to the harbor. At the first, from the 7 holds or 6 holds of the vessel, and we make mycotoxin analysis, and we allow to discharge this shipment and take a representative sample all the days during discharge. And when we found any problem in the grains, like high percentage of moisture, any damage, broken kernels, we stop the discharge, and we detect the amount of this problem and reject this amount and allow to enter only the good quality of grains to enter the outside the harbor.
You have seen in the presentation that shipments coming from the States, 4% only of the shipment was rejected. Only 4%, and the rest was allowed. So it means that we are not rejecting the whole shipment.